Hi guys, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair out here in Oregon, Junction City. This is a 2020 Freedom Express by Coachmen. It's actually a 19 FBS. It's a short little guy. It's going to have a lot of nice features that the Freedom Expresses have. It's got your front battery tray here, your front spare, your dual propane tanks, solid front cap. It's going to have a power tongue jack and a lot of sweet little features. It is a single axle smaller trailer, so it's going to be towed by a lot wider range of vehicles. Let's kind of come down the side of this and look at this guy. You're going to have pass-through storage with a nice magnetic catch. Pass-through storage across there. Little slide out in here that the couch is actually in, and I'll come show you that as we get inside. You have your shower and all your water hookups back here on the driver's side back corner. And let's go ahead and look at the other side real quick. So before we go inside, we do have an awning, power awning, and outdoor speakers. It's a nice, clean, smooth-sided unit. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. As you come into the unit, you got your kitchen refrigerator here in the back with some pantry storage on the side of it. Nice big fridge, Dometic fridge in this guy. The bathroom is across the back here. So you actually have a decent-sized bathroom with your TV box in the way there. So decent sized bathroom there, corner shower. For a little trailer, this thing has a lot to boast. Gives you a little more floor space with the slide out that goes out right here with the couch in it. And it does make into a bed. You have your front bed, it's kind of a corner bed. And your table here is what would set up and be able to be a table for you to eat at. Over the top storage, it does have a fireplace. It has your regular entertainment, it's a DVD, stereo, all that good stuff. This is a 2020, this is a brand new unit. It does have a cutting board cooktop under your stove, oven top there, excuse me, and your sink, microwave, lots of storage, really nice all the way around this guy. It also lights up really nice with a lot of LED lighting. This or any other trailer here at Guarantee RV, my name is Kirk, Captain Kirk Blair. I'm happy to help you, 541-601-8742. Please feel free to call or text. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.